Hi everyone! Today I'm back with a new video. This video is a little bit of a mess, so you'll have to forgive me on that. It's a bit out of focus at the start, and at the end of the painting I actually didn't realise that my camera had stopped recording, so you also missed the footage where I add the highlights and the whiskers and all that kind of stuff, so yeah, I'm really sorry about that. For this painting I really wanted to paint something Christmas themed, which I did try and do yesterday. I spent quite a few hours on a painting of a reindeer, but in the end I just wasn't happy with it, so today I thought I would go back to something I'm comfortable with and something I really love to paint, and that is of course cats. So although it's not Christmas themed, it's still a cute cat. This video is shorter than the rest of my videos. The painting itself didn't actually take me that long to do. I guess I was just feeling super unmotivated after yesterday, so I just wanted to paint something that was quick and simple and I didn't have to think too hard about. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. There's probably a few things I might go back and change later, but for now I think it looks pretty good. So I hope everyone's having a really nice holidays and you're enjoying having a break from work. And I hope you have a really lovely Christmas. If you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope you just have a really nice day. And I think that's it. I will see you guys in the next video.